Welcome to my first grade's arcade Google site. My Google site serves as a portfolio of all the different things we did in this course relating to classroom technology. My home page is an introduction of the site. The biography contains a little about me and what degree I am working towards. This page is great for easy access for teachers and parents to play learning games at home or in the classroom at computer centers. Teacher's Choice page contains 2 websites and resources that I will use in my classroom so that parents will be able to have easy access to these at home. Under Tech Projects, we have Digital Story, PLN, and PLE, Mobile App, and Screencast. Digital Story talks about an overview of a field trip my class would go on of LSU's campus. PLN and PLE contains definitions of PLN and PLE and how teachers can use it in the classroom. Also have blog curation tools and microblogs along with their definition, examples, as well as links to my personal reflection. Here I have a Kahoot. Kahoot is not specifically for first grade app, but it works well for all teachers' professional development and includes a tutorial video on how to use it.